have with King Industrial. I'd like to take a moment today, if you'll allow me, to just tell you why I'd like you to do business with King Industrial in the Carolinas. We've been in business now for more than 30 years. Integrity's at the core of what we do. If we tell you something, you can count on it. We're going to follow through. We're going to do what we say. And we put our customers first. Old-fashioned service is the way it goes. In fact, Don King, the president of the company, he likes to say, we happen to be a service company that just happens to sell coolants. We'll come by, we'll check, if you're doing business with us, we'll check on you. We'll make sure that you're getting the biggest bang for your buck. And we try to help you minimize the cost of use, always. We're always looking for ways to improve that. So we have a great selection of coolants, and we're a master distributor here in the Carolinas for Qualichem products, which are made right there in Virginia. So we've got great products. We have a lot of knowledge. We have a good team, good support, and typically if you make a purchase from us, on one day you place an order, you'll have your product the next day. That's typical. If you're ever having a challenge or a problem, you can pick up the phone and one of our coolant guys will show up and we will help you work through whatever's going on. We don't leave you hanging out there. We're not just trying to sell you something, but we're trying to be your partner in business. So if you're not doing business with us now, check us out at CoolantGuy.com, and we're looking forward to being a part of your team and a part of your success. We can help.